What up, guys? Like the videos, come on, what's happening? How's everyone doing? Let's go. Work, we are work, and chicken we are there. Paper two, calculate the exact value, 3 3/4, divided by 2 1/3 minus 5/6. One do an idea, 5 minutes, 5 3. From what? This is the place to be. Let's put a he or she. Let's go, guys, let's go. Who there? Black Hussein, black and strong. Ready, ready, ready. So I'll go on my comment section. But everybody are going them respective workshop for them school, you know. Put in the work, guys. Put in the work. Somebody say, when I go to grade 6. Grade 6 are coming, man. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. All right. Somebody say them ready. Work out this one, guys. Nobody know work it out yet. 3 3/4 divided by 2 1/3 minus 5/6. What's the answer for that? 2 minutes ago we start. Nobody not attempted it. What's happening, guys? You're gonna lose the first 3 marks in the exam. Anyway, I could start it that way, you know. If you watch the playback, pause the video and thing, you know what I mean? Alright, so first we have this is just the top, right? So we can just convert it. So the 3 3/4, we can say 3 times 4 plus 3/4. And we get that part. And then we can subtract this part different. Let me just convert it. 2 times 3, that's 6 plus 1, 7/3. So 7/3 minus 5/6. But remember, we're working just do the top first. 3 4 is 12. 12 plus the 3 will give us 15. So the top work out to 15/4. Okay, work the base part. So we find the LCM, which is 6. 3 into 6 goes 2 times. So we multiply the 7 by the 2. Now 7 2 is 14. Back minus 6 into 6, 1. So that's 5. So this part works out to 9/6. So the line mean divide. This line here mean to divide. So we're gonna divide 9 by 9/6. We can reduce it if we want, guys. Make it easier for you. Nothing is wrong with that. You can reduce it. Alright. So or we can just divide right now. So we could divide by 3 to get 3/2 to make it much simpler. Alright, tell you what. Let me do that. Make it much simpler. As I end the idea, that's what I want you guys to really go to the exam and do. Execute. So this work out to 3/2. I will divide the 9/6 by 3. Or reduce it by 3 rather. Alright. So the rule says once we are dividing, we must write the first fraction first, which is 15/4. Change the division to multiplication, and then you have to reciprocate. All right, I did this with my prep students. Reciprocate. It's like you flip the number. And then 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 4, 2. So now we can say 3 into this 1, 3 into this 5. So the final answer would have been 5 over 2. So it's 5 over 2, or we can say how many groups of 2 we can get out of 5. That would be 2 groups and remain that 1. So it's 5 over 2 or 2.5. I didn't see anybody get that, guys. You have to a slow start. All right. Terona Washington, big up from St. Vincent. That's St. Vincent flag. I always a mix up St. Vincent and Grenada. Johnny, want go on? Slimmers. So is a grade 6 child name herself, Slimmers? No, man, we don't want that for you, man. We don't reach, we don't reach this up. When we reach this up, in grade 6, have a nice little name, your government name. All right, so Barbados dollars mean BBD means Barbados dollars, and EC mean Eastern Caribbean dollars. All right. Oh, Grenada. Yeah, man, Grenada. Big up from Grenada. Big up Grenada from Jamaica. All right. Big up Terona. So it's a current exchange Barbados $2,000 and receive 2,700. Calculate the value of one Barbados dollars in Eastern Caribbean. So guys, we're not rush that one here. We want you guys to do that one here. So Barbados dollars means, no, that means Barbados dollars, and EC mean Eastern Caribbean dollars. Current exchange Barbados $2,000 and receive 2,700. Calculate the value of one Barbados dollars in Eastern Caribbean. You guys are ready for exam. Shut up this fast, guys. Let's go. If you're not busy, hit the like button. If you're not busy, share it as well so more people can come on and we do the thing. That's all. And remember, guys, if you want to join the marathon, it's 7 US outside of Jamaica. Same rate as Jamaicans. I see it as one Caribbean. So I'm willing to give you guys the same exact rate as Jamaicans. All right, big up Benjamin from Guyana. Big up, man, big up. Our guys, I plan to visit Guyana, you know. I'm gonna visit Guyana. Just pray for me. I'm gonna visit one day, definitely. According to YouTube, Guyana give me the more support, Trinidad and Jamaica. Third. All right, Gavin say 1.39, Tirona say 1.35. All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. Guys, it's only 2 marks, right? Shouldn't take us long to get it. So one of the things that in the marathon, what I try to do is to push students as well, not just to say do the questions, but I try to push the speed. At times I get relaxing because I want them to, but I'm encouraging you guys to push the speed. All right, let's go. So this is how it come down. We have Barbados 2,000, and that gives us 2,700 Eastern Caribbean. So that means one Barbados and one Barbadian would have been 27 divided by 2,000. And this is going to be converted to Eastern Caribbean. I think it worked out. I think the fee worked out to 25 Eastern Caribbean for my class. Yeah. All right. So that's for one class. So this now would work out to 1.35 Eastern Caribbean. So you guys would have gotten that 2 marks. Good job. Good job. All right. Next question, guys. Part 2 says, if current exchange Eastern Caribbean $432 for Barbados, calculate the amount current would receive. All right. So how much current would receive if it's Eastern Caribbean $432. Assume that the buying and selling rate are the same. So then have that little part there. So you have $432 Eastern Caribbean. How much would you receive in Barbadian dollars? Let's go. That's another 2 mark. Could you get that 2 marks in the exam if you're in the exam? This is CXC. This is the question to make a grade 1 or a grade 2. Could you receive it? All right, I'm seeing 583.2. But guys, think about it. If 2,000 Barbados give you Eastern 27, sure you're doing it the correct way, guys. Think about it. Remember, the Barbados dollars is smaller in the first one, right? So for every one Barbados dollars, it's gonna be 1.35 Eastern Caribbean dollars, right? So if you have 432 Eastern Caribbean, are you expected to have a higher number for Barbados or a lower number? Wouldn't it be consistent? I don't know, I'm just saying. As for every $1, you're gonna get $1.35. So how much would 432 Eastern Caribbean equal to? That's all I want you guys to reason it out in the exam. All right. See it there? Lower. That is it. That's how easy CXC can be, guys. We just want to think in the real world, in a logical sense. All right. That would be it. As Shamar says, it would have been 320. All right. So notice, guys, remember, for every one Barbados dollar you have, that work out to 1.35. So when you have 432, you have to divide the 432 by the 1.35. So that work out to 320 Barbados dollars. So the final answer would be 320. Big up Barbados. I'm not big up Barbados yet. Big up Penelope from Barbados. All right, next question, guys. Next question. Let's see. It says a credit union pays 8% per annum compound interest on all fixed deposit. A customer deposit $24,000 in an account. Calculate the amount of money, calculate the total amount of money in the account at the end of 2 years. This one is 4 marks. I will give you more time. So this one is a compound interest. So I can give you more time on this one. A credit union pays 8% compound interest on all fixed deposit. A customer deposit $24,000 in an account. Calculate the total amount of money in the account at the end of 2 years. And remember, this one is 4 marks. So yeah, we can get a little more time on that one. Only say you need the time or not. Let me know. Let's go, guys. I work where I work. A real class. Real free class. Somebody type on something for forward live. So see it here. Put a person there on. So the comments say I should forward on live. So I did. Hope she's here at the current moment. Let's go, guys. Let's go. If you're watching the playback, And please ensure so you try the question as well. All right. No joking around here, guys. No joking. Exam we have to prepare for. Even though you guys not in an exam mode yet, but so we're not deal with guys, man. If you have push harder than this, man, we not go hard it. A CXC, guys, a CXC. What's happening? Students tend to love simple interest more. 2 more minutes, guys, and let me check the comment section. Who finish? Who finish? Let's go. Let's go. Credit union pays 8% annum per annum compound interest on all fixed deposit. A customer deposit 24,000 in an account, calculate the total amount of money in the account at the end after 2 years. So guys, we know so this can forward in from the exam. No, so definitely this can forward in at section 1. So you don't want this to come wipe on the come. You don't want this to be on the paper and you're not able to do it. All right. Use up a calculator, guys. I'm gonna check the comment section and see what I go on now. That's the amount in years. Let's go. After 2 years, not in years, after 2 years. Let me check. All right, let me come back to the comment section. See what generals them are do. Oh, guys, I must share it for those who. All right. So see the right answer there. Sutani, Smith, Lewin as well. Yeah. Janelle, close, Gavin. That kind of Gavin when get such a high number. All right, I could go through it, guys. So this is the formula for compound interest, right? So amount is equal to, I'm not gonna explain everything. P, which is the principal, you have 1 times the rate over n. Now the rate is given in percentage, right? N represent the number of times it compound per year. So this one is annually, so N is gonna be 1. But not we're not finishing now. We're still gonna have the number of times it compound per year times the total time. Or how many times. Up here, so basically tell us how many times it's gonna compound over the period. Why? Over the years. All right, guys, I want to go. I want to go. So this is how we do it now. We drop in the numbers then. So the principal would be the total, not the principal at school, but the principal will even start up, right? So this is the 1 plus, now the rate is 8%. So what we can do, convert 8% to a decimal. So 1, 2, 0.08, 0.08. And the number of time it compound is 1 time because it's annually. And of course, this would be 2 times 1. From here, guys, you should be able to get it. All right. Let me try work it out. This should be 1 plus the 1 into this, I'm going to give you the 0.8. Then you add the 1. So 1.08 to the second power. And of course, I'm going to have to use my calculator, though. I can't know it out of my head. But I know that the 27 something is correct because, as I say, guys, I've done this with my students already. So, we know the shop score already. They should be in the driver's seat because they do all of this weeks ago. All right. So now times that's our 1.08 bracket square. All right. See the number here. See the number here. I got it as well. 2799.3. No, the 3 come before the point, Mr. Bennett. We don't. So 3.6. So it's actually 60 cents. All right. Sorry about that. Sometimes I get excited, guys. Sometimes I'm going to see some little error. I was excited. So that would be it, all right? England said no calculator needed. Oh, 2.64. All right. See that genius there. Big up England. Your name is just England or you're from England. Big up. Anywhere you're from, guys, big up. You know me, I look for a maths teacher. Me come from England. Me have a YouTube channel. Me subscribe to his channel, but the thing is, guys, I used to subscribe to everybody. Subscribe to my. I didn't know it can't work. So my channel subscribe to about 3,000 people. Once you have a channel, me just subscribe back. He used to come on my live and I always say when rate how me teach, but I haven't seen him in the longest while. He's from England. All right, Ajano. Next one, guys. Let me write it because for some reason the part of the paper I never do so wonderful. Simplify this one. 3 marks. Simplify expressing your answer as a single fraction. 2m over n minus 5m over 3n. Big up to everybody with the panel live. Much love, alright? You don't know Mr. anything already. We respect everyone and we appreciate everyone. I want to know if you're there, so right? And I love to see that many persons I come out now and I do the work on YouTube. Alright. So I see 2 answer. I see 3n over 2n. And I see weight. England, how you go with England? England say wait. And I see its flame say m over 3n. Which is it? Daniel say 1m over 3n. England say 1n. Okay. So England. Don't make Barbados money of England. Don't make them money or Guyana or Jamaica or Belize or Grenada. All right, so Tani say m over 3n. All right. More, I mean, the one must say 3n because the numerator, the denominator would have be 3n for 2. All right, I could work it out. This is 3 marks. I don't know why CXC was this generous this year. Normally these days are 2 marks. So I could work it out same way. So find the LCM, which is 3n, right? N into 3n. I like show them separate, guys, because you have some persons that don't see it. N cancel n. That leave 3 alone. All right. So this leave 3. So we're going to multiply 3 times 2, 6. 3n into itself, why? 1 time. So 1 times negative is going to give a, hold on, how many for half the m? So Nobody not type that in the comment section. Hold on, guys. I left off the M. Let me fix it. All right, so we have M here. 1 times 5M would be minus 5M. So yeah, you're taking away, right? So 6M minus 5M, that's 1M over 3N. So that would be correct. Most persons got that. Big up. You must go there now, guys. Keep the dreaded paper too. I Ligma. Ligma saying last. Hold on, hold on. You find the LCM, right? You find the lowest number that 1n and 3n can go into without leaving a remainder. Right? So you find the LCM. What's the lowest number 1 and 3 can go into without a remainder? 3, right? But n is also common, so you have to put the n as well. So you have 3n. Now 1n into 3n. See, I show it here. This is going to give you, n is going to cancel the n. So that leaves 3. So what we do, we multiply the 3 by the 6, the 2m. So 3 times 2, that's 6. We're going to do the same thing, but this time, any number divided by itself is going to give us 1. So we multiply 1 times negative 5m, which is negative, and then we subtract. So the 6 take away 5 would leave 1. So that would give me 1m over 3n. Pedro answered 3m over 2n. I'm not sure how you got that. But remember, guys, we are dividing. So after you find the lowest common multiple, should be cakewalk from there. 1 into 3, leave 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 into this, 1. 1 times, or I should put the 1 here, so. Let me drop the 1 over here, so guys. That can be a problem for some persons. I personally tell my students to put the 1 at the front, so they can see that they multiply by negative 1. So negative 1 times that, minus 5m. All right. And so, okay, thanks. Big up, big up, big up. Much love, guys. Much love. And guys, you're not ready, I'm telling you this straight. I have videos can play for 2 days straight. Straight CXC past paper, explanation, step by step. But you have to tell me when you're ready. When you're ready for a straight A, you have to tell me. Because I know when you're not ready yet. When you're not ready yet. When you're chill. Chill move. All right, this one says if A asterisk B is equal to A squared minus B, evaluate 5 asterisk 2. The government. The government right away. Who give teachers raise a pay. Yo! We just get a text. Can't even Medz for the government to do to the teachers. Cannot Medz it at all. I cannot Medz it. Cannot. Let's go, guys. Let's go. A asterisk B is equal to A squared minus B. What's the value of 5 asterisk 2? Let's go. Let's go. Let me see in the comment section. Me I see 23. All right. Let's go. Lovely work, guys. Lovely work. So we know that A is going to equal to 5. B is going to equal to 2. So how do you follow the rule? Nobody never teach me this, guys. Teacher forgot to teach me this in high school. So 5 squared minus A, which is 2. So that's 25 minus 2, which works out to 23. Good job, good job. Be a bright people there, Not ready to see guys, ready. A joke, not quite. Almost there. Let's get there. Let's get there. Next one. Factorize completely. 3x minus 6y plus x squared minus 2x. I can't wait to reach a D. See how you guys angle D. So I'll go in the comment section. All right. England says C is equal to 3 bracket x minus 2y plus x minus 2y and D equals 7. So, right, today we are at the game D. But factorize that one, guys. Factorize 3x minus 6y plus x squared minus 2x. Do remember to share the video, guys. Share upon your status. That that not costing no money. You want everybody to have a chance. So yeah. Although they must know the channel by now. Everybody use YouTube neither, so I have to remember that too. All right, so we see our next answer: 3 plus x, x minus 2y. So it's basically the same thing both of you have. Shana K, what? Pick up yourself, Shana K. Notice you guys stop halfway though, Shana K. What's up with that? What's up with that? Finish it, guys. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. Finish it. All right. So we're gonna add factorization today. Come on, guys. 1 more minute. May I give an extra minute? Let's go. Let's go. Can I know if you do it, just stop up the screen. See some little art thing there? Yeah, them so cute. YouTuber, I take time I turn in a TikTok. Yo! And the interaction me like, guys. That's why I see more time over TikTok more regularly. But it's when it comes to serious business, it have to be YouTube. It have to record. You land as a 3 bracket x minus 2y plus x minus 2y. All right, let's go, guys. So we bracket off the terms because we can see it's a 3 common, right? So 3 common, and of course, it's 3 into this leave x, 3 into 6y, negative 6y leave minus 2y. Close your bracket. What common here? We have x common. X into x leave x. X into minus 2x leave minus 2y. Why you guys left it like this? The final step would be x minus 2y. You're supposed to do that, guys. And of course, 3 plus x. Big up St. Mary's College. Big up all the schools in Jamaica. Guys, carry me on the school. Wanna deal with. So D says that drinking straw of length 21 centimeter is cut into 3 pieces. The length of the first piece is x centimeter. The second piece is 3 centimeters shorter than the first piece. The third piece is twice as long as the first piece. State in terms of x the length of each of the pieces. And that's 2 marks. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Work where I work and a chicken where I jerk. Sure, so I'm gonna share the video, you know, guys. Nobody can say a bad mind. Yeah. My friend and them find Mr. Benny channel and they never tell me. That's them bad mind. Me not lie. How can you not tell a friend about this buddy? Free work. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. I'm looking for the answer, because I still not see the answer yet, you know. Alright, so let me see 2x over 2 plus 3. That's for 1. Why students always struggle with them expressions with me? I always wonder. Is it the language? I don't know why. Come on, guys. For 2 marks, you should have seen more comment section. Alright. England said 2x. Alright. For reasoning talk, guys. Coming on a time for waste. So the first piece, they say state in terms of x the length of each piece. Now they say that the length of the first piece would have been x. So I'm going to say first equal to x. They literally told us that, right? The second piece is 3 centimeters shorter. All right, so that's going to be x minus 3 because whatever x is, it's 3 less. So that's the second one. All right, let's look at the third piece now. No, wrong color. The third piece is a 2 times x, right? So that would be 2x. As it says, twice as long as the first piece. So it's twice as long as x. So these would be our answer. All right, so we get that 2 mark right here. And then now say, write an expression in terms of x represent the sum of the length of the 3 pieces of straw. So write an equation, no, write an expression. Not an equation, but an expression in terms of x to represent the sum of the length of the 3 pieces of drinking straw. You guys can go ahead and do that ahead of me. If you are able to get this, I think it's total 12 marks. Were you guys able to get all 12? Assuming that you can solve for x to get the 3 marks. Were you able to get that? Or 9 or 10, 8, 7? Just need to keep practicing. All right, static. I remember that name from the last slide. Static say 4x minus 3. So an expression in terms of x to find the sum of the length of the 3 pieces of straw. All right, England say x is equal to 2x plus bracket x minus 3 plus x. Shania say x plus x minus 3 plus 2x equal 21. Well, them say an expression, you know. I don't know why they didn't put equation, but expression them more. So all we need to do add them here, right? So it would have been x plus x minus 3 plus 2x. So when you simplify it, it would have been x plus x, that's 2x plus the 2x. So it's actually 4x minus 3. So that would be the expression because it's not an equation. But for the part where them say hence solve for the value of x, then you turn it into an equation because they gave us the perimeter. So go ahead and do that now. Big up Washington from Grenada. So Tani say x plus x minus 3 plus 2x equal 21. Solve for x now, guys. And we can get to move on. We get to 12 marks and we move on. All right, so we say x equals 6. All right, let's go, guys. We'll find that one here too now. So if the expression or the sum represent this, we just equate it to 1 because they told us that the perimeter was 1, right? Or the length was 21. So we add 3 to both sides and solve for x. So that would give us 24, and then we divide by 4. So the value of x would have been 6. Good job, good job. So x is equal to 6. I'm sure someone like the video, guys. Another fraction. You know, so it will go. Practice, 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 practice until we know everything on it. Statistics ain't have to pass. 12 marks, everything static. Everything we just did, that was 12 marks. Oh, see my number there, guys, and put my number because people always ask me number. All right, it's a using a calculator, otherwise, calculate the exact value of 2 and 2/3 plus 1 and 1/5 divided by 2 and 2/5. Work out that, guys, and make us see what I go. Once you're prepared, guys, you can get a lot of marks in CXC. But can't be lazy, you just have to keep pushing, 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 pushing. No matter what, you just keep pushing. And when you're tired, you keep pushing. Oh, the class them keep anywhere you are on Zoom. All right, remember to talk about the breakdown, guys. So the SBA, every time I say I'm gonna do a video on this, I can't remember. The SBA is 20% of the final grade. Paper 1, as we call multiple choice, that is equal to 30%. In other words, if you get 20% on your SBA and you get all 60 multiple choice, you automatically pass that already. Paper 2 now, that is the big one, which is equal to 50%. So all of this give you 100%. So if you get, paper 2 is normally the most challenging one. If you can get, this is how easy one is to get. Most students right now on the live would have gotten 20 out of 20 for the SBA. If you do well on the multiple choice, you're already on 50%. So you see, you can get 30% out of the 50 here, and you get a grade 1. Who realize that? But you guys are checking it that way. 80% guarantee you a grade 1. So there is your grade 1. Is your SBA, is your paper 1, get at least 30 out of this, and you get your grade 1. All right, ARPA, you see how the paper 3. Paper 3 is still the same mark as this. So let me put in paper 3. So paper 3 and SBA is the same thing. And for paper 3, guys, you're just gonna do the same maths where you're doing paper 2. Can be any topic, but it's basically the same thing. So paper 3 and the SBA is worth the same mark. You just have to go there, do your questions, execute. But it's gonna be question. Most likely, all right, somebody saying got 18. So your teacher couldn't help you forget the 20, man. Static, where your teacher going with? That's what teachers are for, to help you get 20 out of 20. The only way my students don't get 20 out of 20, unless CXC take off the marks. But there's no way I'm going to put a student for 19. Just tell them to fix whatever. You know what I mean? Pick up the math teachers them out there same way. I'm not criticizing them, but may I say, it don't make sense to make the students go up with 17, 18, and 19 when you can help them forget the 20 out of 20. That's my personal opinion though. But when I lash out on the teachers them, I know your job is hard and everything. But so big up. What's the answer for the fraction, guys? Guys, when I tell you this, appreciate the teachers. Appreciate them. The work is tough. So 2 and 2, all right, let me see 41 over 48. All right, 2 and 41 over 48. Yes, yes, that wow music. You can. Remember that's 50%, If you get 50% on any test anywhere in the world, you're automatically gonna get a pass. That's the minimum pass though, right? You don't want to aim for the minimum, you want to aim for the maximum. Oh, 29 over 48. Shana K said 29 over 48. So guys, we can do fraction again. 29 over 40. Only Shana K misses text, what's happening? All right, Missy 4 and 13 over 15. Missy 29 over 48 as well. So it's split between 29 over 48 and another one, which is 4 and 13 over 15. All right, let us see. We can't waste no time now, guys. All right, so we have 2 and 2/3. So 2, 3, 6, we're going to multiply, right? So 2 times the 3, and we add the 2 divided by 3. 1/5 now, 1 times 5 plus 1 over 5. And we divide that by, can convert this if we want. 6, 5, 30, and that's 32 over 5. And we could just match it up now, right? 2, 3, 6 plus 2, that's 8 over 3. So it's 8 over 3 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. Find the LCM, which is 15. That's the lowest number that 3 and 5 can go into without leaving a remainder. And of course, we can divide. So 3 into 15, that's 5 times. So we're going to multiply 5, 8, which is 40. 5 into 15, 3 times. So 3 times 6, 18. So we can break down this to 58 over 15. So this is the top, right? And of course, we divide by 32 over 5. All right. So let's see. It's 29 over something now. So the rule says we're about the first fraction, which is 58 over 15 times 5 over 32. 5 into itself 1, 5 into 15, 3. We can use 2, no, so 2 can go into both of them. So this is 29, and that, of course, was 16. So 29. 3 times 16, that's 48 over that, Yeah. All right, so that would have been 3 marks. All right, so giving your answer as a common fraction. So we left it as a common fraction. My HOD will say we do if it's a fraction, number that turn into decimal. All right. Let's move on to the next one now. It says find the square root of 0. Square root bracket 0.0256 divided by 25. So see if we can do that one, guys. And it says give your answer in standard form. Someone wants to do that in a standard form as well. Not even that see the part here. So we say giving your answer in standard form. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Work we are working. Chicken we are jerk. Yes, static. That is it. Remember to put your answer in standard form. Let's go. Let's go. What's the answer in standard form? Let me see the answers flying in. All right, let's go. So we're gonna use our calculator, right? So you press your square root, press your bracket, 0, 0.0256. Press your divide, press your 25, close the bracket, and equal. My calculator gave me, let's see if I got all the numbers correct. 0.0256 divided by 25. My calculator gave me 0.032. Let me check in the comment section to see if you guys got that as well, or my calculator malfunction. Let's see. right? England say loss. Yeah, same thing. All right. So yeah, we are in agreement. So we need to put this in standard form, right? So to get it in standard form, we have to put it at the 3.2 because standard form should be between 0 and 10. So it can be 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 point something, or 5 point something, or 6 point something, 7 point something, 8 point something, or 9 point something. So it goes now 1, 2. So we move 2 times. So it should have be 3.2 times 10 to the number of places we move, which is 2. However, because the decimal point is located to the left, it means that it's going to be negative. So we're going to show them that the product, when you're finding back the product of 3.2 times 10 to the minus 2, we're supposed to get this answer here, which is 0.032. So that would be correct. I get 3 marks for that. Come on, guys. We cannot complain about CXC sometimes. It's definitely on us to prepare. So it's 3.2 times 10 to the minus 2. All right. We talk about wages now. The basic wage earned by a truck driver for a 40-hour week is $560. Calculate his hourly rate. And I know you guys gonna just do that one very fast. You sure you divide by the 25? You have to divide by the 25, you know. So check if you are divided by the 25. All right? You're not supposed to get the 64. You're supposed to get 0.032. So I'm not sure. You have to use up a bracket. So you press square root, bracket, then of course the number, and then you press divide by 25 and close the bracket. So it work out that part first, and then it find the square root. So the bracket, you're telling the calculator to work out the bracket first, and then find the square root. As it could be a case where the function find the square root first and then divide. So that could be it. All right. So ensure that we do it the proper way. All right. Big up Kayla Brown. Yeah. So how much an hour, guys? The basic wage earned by a truck driver is for a 40-hour week is 560. Calculate his hourly rate. Big up to my parents. Can't take the call now, guys. Big up. I will definitely call you guys back. All right. So I say $14. Good job. All right. So guys, this one is not hard. Let's be realistic, right? So it's for 40 hours. And guys, you don't want to come and work hours, right? So it's 560 divided by the 40 hours we do, right? So that works out to $14 per hour. All right, so we get that 1 mark here. Number 2 says, calculate. No, wait, before we say that, we say, for overtime work, the driver is paid 1.5 times the basic hourly rate. Calculate the overtime wage for 10 hours of overtime. So go ahead and do that one now. And we see the overtime of flying England and Shauna K. Can't wait to celebrate with you guys when I get the straight A. Bop, bop, bop. All right. So guys, if the overtime is time and a half, it means that you're gonna get 14 times 1.5, right? Which work out to 21. You could actually work out that half of this. So it's $21 the market pay per hour. And if you do 10 hours, you just times that by 10 to give you $210. Very good, very good, very good. Let's move on to number 3. Calculate the total wages earned by the truck driver for a 55-hour week, and you get 3 free marks. I joke, you have to work people. The 3 marks I get for that guy. How much you will get for a 55-hour week? All right, let me see 875. Let me see 897. What is it? 897 again. So if the answers are close. Let's see 875. 897. That's not close. But off by $20 odd. So guys, it's a bit. Smith said 897. So only one person said 875. Static, you want to check it again? Everybody has said 897.5, you know. So what's happening? What's happening? All right, I could shut it down. Oh guys, my hand me glass scratch me, you know, my hand me glass. My hand me glass scratch me, my granny say, I go get $1 million by your money. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. Can't wait no more. We can't wait no more. Macaroni, right? So it says 55. So we're gonna split the 55 in the 40 hour. We already know the price for that, right? So we now have to do it. Yeah. So we're gonna split that to the 560. Now the additional 15 hours, but now by 21 if we multiply that by, so I want to get the point for two. Hold on there, guys. What a one? What really a one? Because we know that it told us that for a 40-hour week you get 560, right? The hourly rate work out to $14. If we find time and a half, that's $21. So wouldn't it be just $21 times the additional 15? How did you guys get the point? I'm kind of curious. Let me see. All right. Guys, man, I'm going to give you the marks, 21 times 15, 315. So it's going to be the 560 plus the 315. That's 5, 7, 875 is correct, The one person that got the 875 is actually correct. All right. Big up, big up, big up, big up. England got the 875. Guys, mine did not work with the wrong wage, you know. Now rob people. Mine did not gonna rob people in the ton boss, you know, man. So it's actually 875, alright? I make it stay a little longer so we can make the correction, alright? Because they already told us at 40 hours. We didn't even need to work out the 40 hours because that was given 560, right? So I didn't bother to work out that. And then now overtime would have been 15 hours and the rate is $21. So that work out to 315 and we just add it to get the 875. Next question, next question. Factorization, everybody love it. So we have 2ax plus 3ay minus 2bx minus 3by for 2 marks. Let's see if we can get those 2 marks, guys. Let's go, guys. So 2ax plus 3ay minus 2bx minus 3by. And of course, we have 5x squared minus 20. And the next one, 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. Factorize these and let's go. All right, so let me see a minus b. Onisha, I'm gonna do the pep, man. I'm gonna do the pep. It's coming up. It's coming up. So a minus b. All right, let's go. Time up for that one there. So we bracket off those terms in pairs, right? We can look at what's common. 2 and 1 would be the highest one, right? A is common, so that's 1a, and then we can divide 1a into 2ax. So I'm just show that a step here. 2ax divided by 1a. A cancel a, so that leaves 2x. Same thing, we have 3ay divided by 1a. A gone, so that leaves positive 3y. What I notice you guys put minus. Somebody put minus 3y. No, no. Oh, okay, cool. So now we have the minus outside. So we put the minus. What's the common? 2 no common, so b common. So that's b now. And of course, b into minus 2bx is going to leave positive 2x, negative cancel negative. Same thing for this one. Negative into negative, positive, that leave 3y. So the final answer, we take this. Some people like to leave it like this. I don't think 6 is going to give it the maximum marks. They leave it like that. So you put them in a bracket like this, guys. Come on. All right. Next one, 5x squared. I can't say for tomorrow, but I'm gonna do it, man. The curriculum-based marathon is going on now. So I soon touch base. All right? Why not just join the class? Tell mommy and daddy it's just 1,000 Jamaican dollars. Or if you have relative or foreign, tell them it's $7 US. That's all. To join awesome class. That's all. All right, factorize this one, guys. 5x squared minus 20. Factorize that, guys. I'm checking the comment section. Not comment section. To see the what you guys are doing. Gonna get it. No answer yet. Let's go. Number 2. 5x squared minus 20. Factorize completely. What's the answer for that one? Alright, so just give your parents my number, make them contact you via WhatsApp, alright? Tell me number. I have another marathon tomorrow and I have one Sunday. Tomorrow 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Alright, Louis say 5 bracket x squared minus 4. Janine Atkinson said 5 bracket x minus 2 and x plus 2. Yeah, Onisha, just make your parents contact me. Anybody can join it, man. Any pep student can join. One thing I mean, guys, my classes are for everyone. Atrocious gaming to X5, X. All right, when we done? When we done, you think? All right, let's go, guys. Let's go for this one. So we're gonna factorize completely. Notice the word completely, not halfway, right? So if we look at it closely, 5 is common here. So we take out the 5 and then we divide x squared minus 5 into 20. That goes 4 times, but we're not done in a guide because look at what's inside the bracket. X squared minus 4. That can be further factorized. That's a difference of 2 squared, right? So we're going to factorize this again. So it's like a double factorization. So it will be x minus 2 and x plus 2. So this will be the final answer. All right. What about this one? 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. Onisha, I didn't get the question. I said that I don't know if I will be live tomorrow for the curriculum base. That I think that's the only question you asked me. You say if you want, I say if you want to join the class, just make mommy and daddy contact me. Very simple. Just make them contact me. Send them the banking info. They make the payment. Send them the code. Come on, from class. We have a grand time. That's it. Very easy, right? But they have to make the decision. All right, factorize this one, guys. 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. The more you practice, the better you become. That's all. All right, let's factorize, guys. You see the answer applying at all. You can have some space, right, person? This down. This test done the funny video, right? All right, let's go. All right, finally, let me see your answer. 3x minus 5x plus 3, and also 3x minus 5 and x plus 3. So these two persons got the same thing. Let's see if we can match it up, guys. So we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. So first we label it ABC, right? And then we multiply A times C. So that will be 3 times 15, which is negative 45. Tell me, so I want to get about the end, guys. This is very important. We find the product of 3x squared and negative 15. And what we want to do, list all the factors of 45. 1 times 45, 5 times 9. I think that's it, you know. So which one can give us the 4? 1 and 45 or 9 and the 5? 9 and 5, right? No, 15. 3 times 15 and 45. Yeah. I mean, I wonder if I does that. All right. So now we're going to replace the 4x with 9x and 5x. But we're going to set it up in such a way that we get positive 9. So that means positive 4 rather. That means the 9 should be the larger one, right? In terms of positive. So positive 9 is a larger one. And of course, minus 5x minus 15. From here, so cakewalk. Same as a cakewalk. Same so now. We're just taking out the highest common factor, which would have been 3, and 9 would be 3. And of course, it's about x. 3 into that leave x. 3 into 9 leave positive 3. All right. And of course, we go to minus. What's the highest number that can go into 5? And 15, that's 5. Negative into that leave x. Negative 5 into negative 15, positive 2. So our final answer, x plus 3, that form one bracket. And then what is outside Like summertime, outside, guys. People always just say we're outside summer. That we take what is outside the bracket. So the 3x and the minus 5, that is outside. So you put that in another bracket. That's right. All right. So that's how we factorize. Not many persons finish that one though, guys. So are we to assume that if CXE bring it, we're not gonna get a lot of marks on those? All right, one pack of biscuit costs X dollars and one cup of ice cream costs Y dollars. One packet of biscuit and two cup of ice cream costs $8, while three packets of biscuit and one cup of ice cream costs $9. Write an equation. Write a pair of simultaneous equations in X and Y to represent the given information above. So guys, if you have not liked the video yet, please do that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Everybody asleep now? And remember, for part 2 rather, it says solve the equation obtaining B1 above to find the cost of one packet of ice cream and the cost of one pack of biscuit and one cup of ice cream. So you're gonna find that as well. So that's a total of 6 marks. Not bad at all, not bad. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. So, because we are going in comment section, everybody I get tired now, right? Let's just join. All right, so x equal minus 5 and x equal 6.5. I say 2x minus y. I say x plus y equal 8 and 3x plus y equal 9. Hi, Tisha Thompson. What's up? Or Tisha. Is it Tisha? All right, let's go. Static. This was the first part of my marathon. We currently on. We have done graphs. In my class, we have done geometry, trigonometry, matrices, vectors. Remember, you know, guys, my class is ahead of this, right? It's just me trying to catch up. All right, so you say one packet of biscuit costs X dollars and a cup of ice cream costs Y dollars. Now, one pack of biscuit and two cups. So X represent biscuit, right? So I'm going to say X plus, now the ice cream will be Y, right? So it says and two cups, so it's 2 times Y is equal to 8. And of course, the second one now, while 3 pack of biscuit, which is 3X, and 1 cup of ice cream this time. So 1 cup, and that equal $9. All right, so there we have it. This is the equation that they asked us for. You can double check. Let's double check now. It says 2 cup of ice cream, which is Y here, equal 8. And this was 1 pack of biscuit, which is X. Yeah, it's correct. All right, so that would be it. And part two, they say solve. So we just going to solve right here. So we're gonna solve. I'm gonna use elimination method. So I'm gonna eliminate the y. So I'm gonna times this by 1 and this by 2. And why I do that, I want to get 2 here in front of both of them, in front of both of the y. Right? So 1, so I multiply by the coefficient, which is the 2 and the 1. This is 1, right? All right, so we just like to swap it. So 1 times x will be x, 1 times 2y, 2y, 1 times 8, 8. We can multiply by 2 now. Remember, it's like a big bracket over everything. So 2 times 3, 6. 2 times y, 2y. 2 times 9, 18. So we're going to subtract now, because if we have both of them being positive 2y, we can put minus in the middle to get rid of it, right? But in engineering to one side, you have to do everything. So it's the 1x minus 6x. This is going to give us 0. And then we have 8 minus 18. This will give us minus 5x equal minus 10. And then we just divide by minus 5. So therefore, x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So we get one of them already, $2. All right, I'm going to use equation 1, and I'm going to substitute. So we have x plus 2y equal 8. You guys should figure it. We know it's x at 2, so put the 2 here, so right? Subtract 2 from both sides. So 2y is equal to 8 minus that gives us 4. But we're not done yet, because a 2y, we want for 1y, so we divide by 2. No, these are 6. Sure. So y is equal to 3. So the biscuit of the $2. Check it, guys, if it makes sense. The biscuit of the $2, right? And the ice cream of the $3. Alright, so we have $2 for this plus 3, 2, 6. We get the 8. All right, $2 for this, 6326 plus the 3, we get 9. All right, so that's correct, right? That is correct. All right, let's go. The number there, guys, for contact me. Join the math marathon. 5492161. The next marathon will be tomorrow, which is Thursday at 8 p.m. And also, we're gonna do one Saturday. So the marathons are coming fast. You have to make a decision fast. Tell the parents, all right? Tell your parents, you're ready to go to the marathon. You're ready to go to Mr. Bennett's marathon. So you can pass your examination. Here is a function. Here is a function. Big up yourself if you come from junction. Function. Here is a function. Alright guys, so it's a given that f of x is equal to 2x minus 5, g of x is equal to x squared minus 31. Calculate the value of f minus 2, gf1, and also the inverse of f. So that's 5 marks. Can you get this 5 marks? And this is a number 5. Static was saying if it's only this I'm doing. Static, everything is a process, right? All right, Gabriel, so which year paper this? It's a mixture. What I do, guys, for the marathon, I look for all different type of topics, but all past papers, right? So I look for function, I look for fraction, I look for algebraic expression, simultaneous equation, equation with bracket, equation with without bracket, linear, all of that, quadratic, functions as well, perimeter, area, I do them by topic. So I search for a volume, a total surface area, all of them something let me do. Because what happened, I want students to be exposed to them before exam. So I look for graph, I look for everything. All right. We have done matrices, we have done vectors, everything, guys, everything. It's actually harder to search for the questions for the marathon than to keep the actual marathon. There's a whole work going to it, searching for the questions, selecting which question and so on. So guys, when you see me here, so I come and I do this and I joke. You have to include everything. Of course, this is just 10 pages. The marathon been going on for what? 10 days already. It's really a marathon. It's really a marathon. So guys, let's do the right thing and join so we can at least get to see where you are. Or even if you don't have to join mine, guys, it can be anybody one. Alright. I just want you guys to pass through. That's all. Doesn't matter if it's mine or someone else, right? All of we have to eat food. And I get a lot of support throughout the year, so I'm so grateful for that. So we not get greedy either. But if we can find a way. Oh no, no, baby Dan, me not do, you know do it, Guys, you see those past people that I do? I just some teacher help me do it and me do the solution. But I don't really do them, I just teach maths. That's it. I'm really a maths person. But you don't know, we're not selfish, so we try to help as many students as possible. Let's see if we can take a call. Guys, me mute, you know. Me never know say me mute. Me just a see comment. Oh man. No! Oh man. I'm do it over fast. Guys, I whole people are calling me, so me have to mute every minute. Don't worry, me I get a secretary for next year. I'm getting a secretary. I'm getting a secretary. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Yo, me shame, you know. Yo, pick up Jerome and roadblock. We never see it, we never see King text, we never see it at all. Alright, so right about the function f. I'm gonna do it back over, guys. Can't believe some me mute. We write about the function f, which is 2x minus 5. Right? That's the last function. Now g says x squared minus 31. So this are x already, so it's square minus 31. Now they say we should plug in 1 in the function. So anywhere x is, we're gonna put 1. So the maths now. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 5. Remember, I have to write the bracket before we square. So 2 times 2 minus 5, that's negative 3. And we square it minus 31. So this will be 9 minus 31, which we get negative 22. And we go scratch me, you know. Yo. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't know I was muted. So minus 22 for this, right? You guys got that? Now the function, the inverse of the function, let me just do what the inverse of the function. And then plug 3 in it. I honestly did not realize I was muted. Too many calls, man. Too many calls. I'm grateful though because guess what? People are calling join up for the call. So thank you guys for calling. But I will call back everyone. Alright, so now this work out to 22, right? Alright, let's look at this one now. The inverse of f, right? What did f say again? The f say, so that's 2x minus 5. We're going to change the function to y. Y is equal to 2x minus 5. Now we interchange x to y and y for x, right? So anywhere x is, we put y. Anywhere y is, we put x. So we have x here, and we interchange. Where the x is, we put y. All right, we're going to solve for y now. So we're going to get rid of this minus 5, which is plus 5. Anything to one side and to the next side. So that leaves 2y. And then, of course, the opposite of times is divide. So we're going to divide by 2. All right. So we could divide by 2. So there we have it. That's the inverse of f. But let's say we should put 3 there. And when we see x, we're going to put 3. So it's going to be 3 plus 5 over 2. So that works out to 8 over 2, which works out to positive 4. All right. So there you have it, guys. I did it twice because I was moving. Let's focus now on the table. See if we can get the table one now. Guys, wanna subscribe? And just have to go subscribe here. I'm gonna stop after the table one. So wanna subscribe? Just subscribe. Turn on notifications so I'm live. Because remember, I only go live when I can. I have a lot of classes. So there's no I can't set the time like oh me I do it probably last year. I say alright. Every 5 o'clock I go on. It's just when I don't have classes, I go on and so I have to make the money, you know, guys. I have to make the money. All right, so copy and complete the table. X, Y, we have negative 4, negative 3. Bear in mind the function is y equal x squared plus 2x minus 3. What go on now? Guys, when I see the answer yet, you know, only one person say negative 3 equals 0. So what about 1? Let's go, guys. Let's go. What the person would I say they want graph? See graph, yeah? So that's how we do everything, you know, guys. I think that joke thing. Work, we are work. So, one thing with me, guys, me make my money honestly. Me put in the work. One students want pass, them have to pass. Them not pass, trust me. There's nothing I could do about it. So two of them are 0. Gabriel says 0. Juni say 0. Alright, we could just plug it in. We not drop no table feed, right? We just go math it up just like that. We're going to use a formula, right? We could use black. Black are the most precious color. So y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. Alright, we're going to plug negative 3 for x. So y is equal to minus 3 squared plus 2 times minus 3, right? Negative times negative, positive. So you square 3, you get positive 9. 2 times 3 minus 6 minus 3. Both of them negative you add, so that's 9 equal 0. So here, let's do the same thing, but this time positive 1. Y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So positive 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 3. 1 square 1, 2 ones 2, and minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3, that equal to 0. So both of them equal 0. You'd have gotten 2 marks. You could have draw the graph. Those who want to draw it with the scale can WhatsApp me, right? Using a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on the x-axis and 1 centimeter on the y-axis. Draw the graph x squared plus 2x minus 3 for the domain minus 4 to x to positive less than or equal to 2. So guys, those who want to join my class, you know, depend on live or if you depend the playback, this is my number. And guys, you can just WhatsApp me, but just be specific and say, sir, what's my time? Send the banking info or whatever. I can tell you the cost. The cost is only 1,000 Jamaican dollars per night. For those in the Caribbean, other places, it's just 7 USD dollars. If it's Eastern Caribbean, when we work it out, and the others, we got about 23. So let's call it $25. I mean a person. That's 25 Eastern Caribbean. Any other money me don't know about? Yeah. I may accept PayPal, can be Western Union, or online banking. Whichever way work for you, work for me too as well, alright? So guys, thanks for staying so long. I did saw someone put a comment and say, sir, go live. And I just said, okay, let me try go live. And here we are. We're at the end of it now. But guys, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Alright. Can WhatsApp me and we can talk. Definitely we can talk. Not a problem on my side. So I'll see you guys on the next live. Make sure you turn on your notification and everything there, guys. Work we are work and a chicken we are. Sure. They're not spending them out, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another live. Big up, big up. Big up everybody, big up. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Jay-Z that say it could be anywhere in the world. Yeah, man, big up, big up. Okay, it's not every night. It's Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Because remember, I do PEP, so I have to be sharing my regular classes still going on. Oh, Santi, that's what I was saying. I don't know when I'm coming on back. But if I see some free time, I will come on. I teach every day, guys, every single day, from Sunday to Sunday. So whenever I get the chance, I will definitely come on live. That's why I said turn on your notification and just, make that beat. So we get notified and you can join me. All right? I'm out. And look out, me have one per video. Big up K, no problem. And guys, you know have my number, so you can reach out to me as well. All right? Big up everyone across the Caribbean.